Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one is a place where you park your car. And number two, do you know? Correct. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The garage is on the right. The garage is on the right. Garage. The garage is on the right. A place to park your car. Now we can make a flashcard for garage. Can you pronounce these two words? Very good. Number one, garage. Garbage. Please make a card like this. Write garage up here in the top left corner, G-A-R-A-G-E. Down here in the bottom left corner, H-O-U-1. This means house, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 12 out of 20. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. There are two ways. Number one, garage. Number two, garage. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. I will take the last bus tonight. I will take the last bus tonight. Last. You will take the latest possible bus. Now we can make a flashcard for last. We usually use it like this, the last bus. It is the opposite of the first bus. Please make a card like this. Write be last up here in the top left corner, L-A-S-T. Down here the code, A1 is what we're learning now, adjective, level 1. And over here the number, 45 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Last. Last. Game over. You did very well today. Where is the car? Correct. It is in the garage. And we learned the last bus. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, correct, webcam, web camera. Number 2 means not allowed. It is illegal with an L. And the last one, to do something nearly, similar to almost. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd. Please write your language on the other side of the card. This is Level 1, a complete 2-year course, but the schedule is rotating, so you can join anytime. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.